What does it mean to have a headwind? It's going against you. So you're going faster or slower? Slower. All right, so it's working against you. So you have the rate of the plane, and then you have to take away the wind. All right? We're going to assume that the wind is constant, which might not be a great assumption, but we're going to assume that. And then on the way back, you have a tailwind. So does that make you go faster or slower? Makes you go faster. So we add the rate. All right. And we have our distance here. So if we use distance is going to be 1,000. The rate there, P minus W. And what's our time to get there? 4 hours. All right. The rate on the return trip, I go 1,000. What's my rate? P plus W. And how long does it take? I would not say 3.3. 3.5. 30 minutes is half of... Yes.
Oh yeah, it says 20 on ours.
Then let's go with 20. All right. I guess I was trying to make it easier. So 20 minutes. So 3.2.
3.3.
That would be approximate, right?
Yes.
All right. Let's do it. Let's do it exactly. 3 1/3 hours. All right. We have two equations. We have two variables. We can solve it. What is this setup to look like right now? I know. Setup to solve it how? Elimination. Before I could use elimination, okay, yeah, we'll do it that way. I need to, well, it looks like elimination, but I have to do something before I could get it to really be an elimination problem. If I distribute, then I'm not going to have the same numbers in front of these variables. What can I do to make this a little bit simpler?
Would you divide the 4 and the 3?
Let's get rid of this 4. Very nice. And so I'm going to get 250 is P minus W. And over here, I'm going to divide by a mixed number, which sounds simple, but it's not. So I'm going to change this into an improper fraction. What's 3 1/3 as an improper fraction? 10 over 3, very nice. And so I'm going to take this and I'm going to divide by 10 over 3. 1,000 divided by 10 over 3. What do I do when I divide by a fraction? Flip it and multiply. So this becomes 1,000 times 3 over 10, also known as 300. Yep. So 300 equals P plus W. All right. I've got one nice and simple equation. I have another nice and simple equation. Are they set up now to eliminate very well? Yes. All right. So if I take this one on the right, and I move it to the other one, am I going to add or subtract those equations to get rid of a variable? You add them, the W's are going to cancel, and I get 2P equals 550. So P equals 275. Is that right? 275 what? bananas, horseshoes, miles per hour. Thank you. Good. MPH. Remember, the first thing I did, I defined my variables. I used a rate. So these are my rates. All right. Well, if the miles per hour for the plane is 275, what does the wind have to be? 25 miles per hour.